So the HighLevel software has so many different things that you can offer to businesses. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most important HighLevel features that I offer to all of my clients. There might be some features on here that you already know. There might be some features that you've never even heard of. That's why in today's video, I'm just going to break down the most important ones that you can literally set up within minutes and offer to businesses. So we're going to head over to this chart over on the computer, and it's just a simple breakdown of exactly how this works. So you're able to work with local business owners. So this doesn't matter if it's, local in your local town, your local city, or even in your country. You can work with businesses anywhere around the globe. I primarily work with brick and mortar style businesses like gyms, restaurants, hotels, and so many more. You're going to offer simple websites and automations to these businesses, and you're going to sell it to these businesses for between 300 and 500 euros or dollars or pounds every single month. It is a very simple concept, and I'm going to show you the exact features that I offer to businesses today inside of this video. Feature number one is the pre-made ready to go website templates. All you need to do is inside of your HighLevel account, head over to sites over on the left hand side, head over then to websites and click on new website. From here, you can either start from blank, you can start from scratch, so you have no template, you type the name in here, whatever, or you can start from the templates. And I personally recommend start from the templates because pretty much everything is already there. It's kind of like a skeleton where everything's already, built out. The layout's already there. All you need to do is go in, change up the logos, change up some text, change some images, and the website is good to go. You can keep scrolling and keep scrolling and keep scrolling on this page right here. There are literally thousands of website templates that you can choose, use, get up and running for your clients in under 30 minutes. So if we were to choose one of these websites right here, let's just go for the food online menu one. We click on this little button, and then it's going to give us just a quick sort of demo of how it looks exactly. Then click continue. It's going to add the website to our account. And once that has loaded in, we can literally do whatever we want with this website template right here. So over on the top left, we go to logo here. We click on that, we scroll down over on the right hand side. It says brand logo. We can click this. We can choose any of the images in here, and you just need to upload your own images. So inside of here, it would be your clients' images and their logos. Click on one of them, and as you can see, the logo has now loaded up in here. We can also change all of the text on here. So exquisite atmosphere, we can change this to exquisite atmosphere for everyone. If we then scroll down to this button right here that says make an appointment, if we click on this, we can change the background color. So we can change that to red. We can completely reorder things. So over on this one right here, if we just click on the up arrow, it's, shifting things about. It is the most simple, the most easiest website builder that I've ever used. And I've pretty much used them all. I've used WordPress, I've used Wix, I've used the GoDaddy website builder, Webflow, and a few others. This is by far the best website builder if you're looking for something that's extremely simple, very easy to get set up for clients, and you want to have access to thousands of pre-made, ready-to-go website templates. Real quick, guys, if you do want access to a completely free step-by-step course that shows you absolutely everything that you need when it comes to starting a business using HighLevel. It shows you how to get a free account, how to get it all set up in as quick as time possible, how to find clients, how to reach out to clients. It covers absolutely everything. You also get access to all my bonuses, all my templates, all my scripts, all for completely free. If you do want access to that, drop a like on this video and drop a comment down below. Also, I'm going to show up some testimonials and results from different students inside of that course. So feature number two, which is something that not really many people speak about. If we go over to memberships on the left hand side, you can build and host courses inside your HighLevel account. So this can work for you if you're selling an online course or a digital product. It can work for all of your clients. So say for example, if you're working with an online fitness coach, a PT, and they have an online course that they want to send to their clients, they can literally go over to the memberships on the left hand side, click on new product, start from scratch, and they can choose if they want to build their own course, which I do recommend. From there, all you got to do is add in all of the headlines, all of the titles. We can click into the videos, we can add in the actual video content, upload the thumbnails. We can also attach files. So for example, if they're giving away a free PDF, like a free checklist or a free guide or something like that, they can attach it right here. All they then need to do is hit on save, and they can give this out to all of their clients. Feature number three is the marketing over on the left hand side. The marketing tab inside of HighLevel has so many different things. The main thing that I want to outline is the social media scheduling tool. So if you have a client that has a bunch of social media channels, they might have an Instagram page, a Facebook page, a LinkedIn account, TikTok account, YouTube shorts, whatever, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is click on add social account, and you can connect up any of these channels right here. So literally recently, I think it was like 3 days ago, YouTube also get added in here. So it covers pretty much every single main social media channel that you and also your clients can use. Think of this: if you're a short form content agency and you have a bunch of content that you need to schedule out for your clients, you can sit down on, say, a Sunday, for example, after all the clips have been edited, you upload them into here and you can schedule them to get posted throughout the week. You can set a post to go out at 2 p.m. on Monday, 5 p.m. on Tuesday, 6 p.m. on Wednesday, literally whatever times. You can just schedule them way in advance, meaning that you do not need to actually manually hit post on the day. Now, feature number 4 that I want to outline is the opportunities tab over on the left hand side. This is sometimes known as the CRM, the customer relationship manager, because inside of here, this is where you and all of your clients can keep track of all of their customers and potential customers all in one place. This right here is a pipeline that I'm currently using to do some cold calling. As you can see, all the people on the left hand side are under the called section. For example, if this person right here was interested in what I had to offer, all I need to do is drag them over to interested, and from here I can set up some simple automations in the back end that might automatically send out a payment link, an onboarding form. Literally whatever you want to do, you can automate everything inside of this pipeline. Speaking of automations, if we head over to automation over on the left hand side, this is pretty much where we're able to build all of those automations out. So I'm just going to search for one of my automations right here, the appointment booking and reminder. This right here is how the automation sections look. So for example, the trigger right here is customer booked appointment. So whenever someone books into my calendar, into the growth rate calendar, which is my software company, that's my CRM company, we're able to set up a bunch of automations that's automatically going to ping me an internal notification to my mobile app. And yes, GoHighLevel does have a mobile app. It's called Lead Connector. It's their white labeled mobile app. This is great because your clients don't actually see that it's GoHighLevel they're using. We can send out SMS reminders, we can send out email reminders, we can even set up so 24 hours before the appointment the person gets another email. 1 hour before the appointment, I then get an internal notification again just saying, you know, you have a meeting in 1 hour. We send out another reminder email, another SMS. And just an important thing to note for you and for your clients, if you set up a 10-minute reminder before the meeting, the chance of that person showing up on the meeting is so much higher. Now, the next important feature that I want to outline is the reputation management. So reputation management is a simple but effective feature that you can sell to your clients, or you can use this within your own business, where you're able to get a bunch more positive Google reviews or TripAdvisor reviews or Booking.com reviews, but you're able to completely hide and internalize any negative reviews. So how this works is your client, say for example, if it's a hotel you're working with or a restaurant you're working with, all they need to do is get their customers to fill out this form. They put their name on there, they put their email, and they put their phone number, then redirects them to this page right here, and it has, would you recommend this? This is where they leave the review. As you can see, it has 1 star, 2 stars, 3, 4, and 5. So what happens here, if someone clicks either 4 or 5 stars, there is a pop-up that has Google on here and it has TripAdvisor. You can add whatever platforms you want on here. You can remove any platforms. This is completely customizable. And by the way, you also get access to all of this inside of my free course. So what happens here, whenever someone clicks on one of these logos right here, it automatically redirects that person to leave a positive review for your client on their Google or on their TripAdvisor page. So how you're able to hide and internalize any negative reviews, instead, if we click either 1, 2, or 3 stars, it redirects us to this page right here, and this is what I call the internal feedback form page. This gives your client's customer the opportunity to, you know, get whatever they need to get off their chest. They can write their name on here, their email, and the message. Under message, this is pretty much where they're able to let that negative, you know, that negative review off their chest. They can write whatever they need to write about the business. And the best part about this is it goes directly to your client, which is the business owner, you know, the hotel owner or the restaurant owner. It goes directly to them instead of publicly on their Google page. This leads to your clients having a bunch more positive reviews, and over time they're going to organically start ranking higher inside their local area. So for example, if you're working with a client that is the restaurant, if you implement this one simple feature, within a few months, whenever someone is in their local area and they search for restaurant near me, it's your client that's going to start organically ranking at the top. And what I mean by organically means they don't need to pay for a bunch of online advertising. This is completely organic. They're not running any ads, and over time it's just going to happen by itself. Another one of my favorite features is the auto missed call text back. So instead, how to access this, instead of clicking on one of the features on the left hand side, we just click on settings, head over to business profile, and if we scroll down over on the right hand side, we see something called missed call text back. So it's literally as simple as clicking this text box and just click on saved missed call text back settings. How this actually works is, say for example, if you are working with a hotel and someone wants to call that hotel, but for some reason the receptionist at the hotel didn't actually pick up, it will automatically send them out this text message that just says, hi, this is location name, and the location name will automatically fill out in here. So this would be the name of the hotel. I saw that we missed your call, how can I help? This really helps your clients bring in a bunch more revenue to their company, because instead of that person going down and searching for the next hotel on the list, before they even get the chance to click the call button, they've instantly received an SMS, a text message from that hotel. So they're instantly re-engaged, meaning that they're going to stay at this hotel instead of the next one down the list. If you do want access to that completely free step-by-step course, like I said earlier, simply drop a like on this video, subscribe as it really helps me out, and click on that first link down below in the description. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you have any questions about any of this, or if you have anything that you'd like to add, feel free to drop it down below in the comment section. I try to help out as many people as I physically can on their high level journey. The reason for this is because high level has blessed me with so many opportunities, because I've been able to take their entire software platform, upload my own logo on it, and go out and sell to businesses for whatever price I want. They allow you to do the exact same thing. For the next few people that do sign up for that free course down below, I will personally mentor you to get you to whatever your goal is, whether that is 2K a month or 5K a month or 10K a month. I will work with you one-on-one to make sure that you hit that goal. So what are you waiting on? Sign up for that free course down below. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.